Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It's the 2nd of July 2013, NFP week, non-farm payroll jobs report this week, and the market is basically digesting. I think it's going to digest in here, like we said yesterday, maybe hopefully, or not necessarily hopefully, but it probably will stay under this trend line here, maybe get a little poke up today. And then bounce off of it and just kind of grind here over the next few days. We got a holiday obviously on the 4th of July, so we're looking for just a little, just some just grinding event, down, up. You'll just have to play it on a very short-term basis, and of course the report on Friday will dictate probably the next direction. With that, the bond's probably grinding slowly up, meeting up with this trend line. It's probably correcting through time here. So I imagine it will continue on this little path that it's doing, and at least till this Friday, which means that we got a few days of grinding here. On the Forex, where's the dollar going? Well, we might get a little push up here. It's been oversold. It's not coming off here, so we might get a little bit of rise here in the euro, and some of a little bit of sell-off in the dollar here. Same thing on the pound, looking for this to kind of maybe correct through time and get a little up movement. I don't think it'll move hugely. Pending the reports coming out later this week, but it very well could inch up just a little bit here. On the yen, backing and filling, probably not going anywhere, so it could come off a little bit today. But again, nothing major. On the Swiss, got a little bit of doji there. Look like this could grind a little bit here, maybe come off a little bit, but I still think the trend is still up, so I think it'll probably hold intact here, even though that doji does make me worry a little bit. On the Aussie, will it break this trend line? Could do. It could come back up here to the 93, 93.20 area here, but again, the overall trend is still down. So it might surprise a few people, get a few people excited, but I do think eventually the Aussie is going further down at some point. On the CAD, again, wedging to go higher, grinding here, and probably just go inch up just a little bit today. On the commodity complex, oil strong. Surprised me a little bit, but I'm going to be shorting here as it goes up here, up to the 99. I think it's going to come off here, but again, I think it could sit there and grind in this upward wedge here, come off a little bit, and then maybe rise and just kind of work this area a little bit. And gold blasting up, got a nice reversal here, looking to regain to the break point here, which is what, around the 1275-ish area, and then I think it might stall here. We never know. Gold's a special animal, but we're looking for a little bit continued rise here, at least up to the 1275, and then we'll have a rethink. And as always, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.